Markus Rant.
I get emails once in a while from people saying, can you make a cheaper version of your product? Like take out a couple ingredients or just make it less expensive for us poor people? No, I can't. I've already made it as affordable as possible. You know, most businesses have this 5-to-1 rule. Sell it for 5 times more than it costs to make. A lot of my products are almost 1-to-1. Some of them are 2-to-1. Some of them, after considering the fulfillment cost, I'm actually losing money. So I'm making it because I want to help people, but I want to stay in business too. The main thing is I wanted to have the best, the very best out there. The best products using ingredients that no one else is using, that's almost too expensive for anyone else to use. No one else is using pine nuts and durian in their protein powder because it's just too rare and way too expensive. They're using cheap stuff like rice and pea protein and things like that, which are cheap. Try to get pine nuts sometime and see what that costs. My point is, I want the best. I'm only going to make the best. I'm making the Rolls Royce of supplements. It's the best, most powerful, cleanest, greatest stuff that is possible to make in the raw food world of healing natural herbal supplements. Otherwise, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to waste my time unless I can make the best. It's like somebody saying, can you make a Ferrari for us poor people? No, I can't. Sorry. It's just the way it is. So, for those who can't afford it, I have videos and a book, a 2-pound book, the best book in the world for edible plants. So you could go out there, find them yourself, and know what they look like, and I tell you how to prepare them. Weeds are free. They're growing free all over the world. I tell you what weeds are growing in your area, what they're good for, how to use them, so it doesn't cost you anything. Anybody says this is too expensive, this lifestyle is too expensive. It can be free. Nothing's better than free. The most powerful food in the world is growing wild right outside your door, and people are afraid to pick it because it's called weeds, wild plants. Whereas the stuff that's in the grocery store was picked 2 weeks ago. It's already lost most of its vitamins. It was picked unripe. It was grown in soil. It's already depleted of its minerals. Compared to a plant like clover, alfalfa, dandelion, thistles that grow roots that much as 124 feet underground to look for water and minerals that the farm plants never do. And I'm telling you how to do this for free. They're wild. They're free. Now you can get them yourself, or I can pick them for you, dehydrate them, grind them up, put them in a powder, mix them together in a formulation that is the most powerful possible, and sell it to you. And if people think that's just, if they find an excuse for that, if they, fine, keep eating your bread and your dairy and your sugar and getting sick and complaining about it. Your choice. I mean, it's priorities. Look at it this way. What does a meal or a day of eating cost you? Does it cost you $20, $30 to eat that day? Well, one of the best things you can do for health is to not eat. It's called fasting. What money you save during fasting, you can buy a product that could increase your health exponentially. So I don't want to hear excuses. Do you want the best or not? If you really, really, really can't afford anything, I'm showing you, even for free in my videos, how to go out there and what plants are growing wild in your area and how you can consume them and use them medicinally. Beyond that, there's nothing more I can do. No, I cannot make a Ferrari for poor people, but I can show them how to build their own if that's what they want to do. Okay, that's my rant for the day.